Hello, Gramps here. I'm a 60-year-old man in the range of morbidly obese. I've yo-yo dieted for years and lost weight, but it comes back with a vengeance, and it brings friends with it. Um, Now that I have a proper shop, I started this channel to focus on wood and metalworking projects. Very soon, I found out that I could not do the projects I love due to my weight. I'd get short of breath if I tried to bend over. My knees were shot, so I couldn't get up and down off the floor when projects required me to. It was depressing. The wake-up call came when I went to the doctor and my blood work came back and it didn't look very good. It showed I was on the verge of diabetes. I had high cholesterol and high blood pressure. I knew I could bring the cholesterol down by adding additional fiber to my diet. That's something I could do. Blood pressure was going to require pharmaceutical intervention, and we're still working on getting that under control. But my high fasting glucose and my A1C were going to require some drastic changing. I already almost never eat processed sugar. Desserts are very rare. So there was no simple fix here. And I had to do it in a sustainable way. I couldn't keep this yo-yo dieting up. What I decided to try is green smoothies for breakfast. Why I made that choice, I don't know. I've never had a green smoothie in my life. And what's more, most smoothie recipes call for bananas, and I cannot stand bananas. I detect the ester that's in them in very small quantities, and it's very unpleasant for me. So this was going to add an additional challenge on how I was going to make smoothies. I did some research, and I found several recipes for green smoothies without bananas. Okay, so let's off to the store and get some ingredients. The next day, I made my first smoothie. As you can see, it looked awful. I was wondering, could I choke this down? I was determined, so I tasted it. Hey, that was not bad. In fact, it was good. What a relief. So now that we have at least one recipe that we can stomach, we're going to try and begin this journey. The question is, will it work? Join me.